Hey guys, I'm Dimi Conidas, mixing and mastering engineer based in Frankfurt, and I would like to show you this wonderful EQ from Gyraf Audio. It's the G23-S Ambler-Tilt EQ. What I really love about this EQ is it's so cleanly built and easy to use. I just focus on the sound and use my ears. So frequency numbers or Q factors don't distract me of too much thinking. What I also love about it is that it has two sounds. It has a tube stage mode and a solid state mode by engaging the switch knob. So the tube stage has a more softer, smoother sound, and the solid state has a more direct and punchier sound. For me, this EQ doesn't sound like an EQ. It sounds always very pure, very natural, transparent, and always unprocessed. This thing is always in the last step of my signal chain for minimal shaping and dimension of my sound. I love this thing, it's amazing.